Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to unfollow on Facebook. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Facebook app. Okay, then tap on top left profile and scroll down. Okay, find friends and back, click on see all friends. Okay, then back, try another way and scroll down. Okay, choose on someone and click follow. Then this person is following, and just tap on three dot option and okay, then this option add friend option, then back, then tap on this option following, just click and tap on unfollow option, just click unfollow, then unfollow on Facebook. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe.